try and record it in a minute. So right now, not gonna lie, my big back dinosaur ass is walking the subway, bro. We better go get something to eat, feel me? Look a little. It's the fit for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this shit right here because I'm like, yeah, I gotta walk pretty far. I'll be 1 second. I checked on my phone, 8 minutes away. Almost there, look. Oh, fuck, let me turn my camera around. See, almost there, bro. Fucking tired. Fuck this shit. I need a load. Felt like it. Watch me walk now, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get back y'all when we get to that fucking subway. Yo. I finally made it to like the stores and shit. I want to though. But I'm hungry. We're not gonna walk our way, you know, be respectful, you feel me? Bro, I'm shy. I never recorded in public like this before. I feel dumb a little bit. But it's alright. You know, being a YouTuber, this is what it's all about, my nigga. And fuck y'all niggas. I'm just playing. What the fuck? What they be doing in there? Hold on, we gonna walk over there. Yo. Mission accomplished. We got fucking Subway! And the real problem is, we gotta walk all the way fucking back home, bro. Fuck. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas when I get at least halfway. We not even finna eat. Hold on. Hold on. I'm like walking a little slow. My fault. Yo! What's up? That's tough. I'm not even gonna lie. That nigga's like, who? Fuck. We're gonna have to bleep that out. I didn't even post a video yet and I'm already cussing. Like, what the fuck? But yeah. We're like halfway there, feel me? Still walking. We're not halfway there. We got hella far. I'll catch y'all niggas when I'm halfway there. Yo! I ain't gonna lie, I walk pretty fucking fast, but we ain't even halfway there, bro. I think my leg is starting to hurt too. This shit sucks. Fuck. Might have to go steal somebody's scooter. I'm dead ass. I got picked up, yo. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I got picked up. I'm getting picked up right now. I swear to God. I'm getting picked up. Let's go. And I got extra stuff. Let's go. Home mission. Yeah. Made it back. Yo. There's a successful mission. I'm sitting here watching YouTube. I'm gonna lie, this steak and cheese from the Subway. I'm all about it. What? He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Good shit. Well, I ain't finna do nothing after this. Y'all came on me with my little adventure to get, to get my food. Hope y'all enjoyed that little walk. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas in the next video, though. Fuck you. Little boogers in my nose? Ew.
Like, who been on your mind? Who got